Welcome to a seagull's eye view of the most magnificent new home on the Outer Banks. Palmer's Panorama offers incredible ocean-to-sound views from each and every level of the home. This luxurious oceanfront home is located on a narrow stretch of land at the northern end of Duck, North Carolina. The home's 50-foot-plus elevation gives guests a unique perspective for taking in the stunning coastal landscape. The elevation also makes it a rare find on the Outer Banks. Palmer's Panorama is set on a large property with mature landscaping, offering privacy and relaxation away from the crowds. A 150-foot ocean front gives guests a wide open beach space to play or simply soak up the sunshine. Upon entering the home, you will find seaside luxury at its finest. Calming coastal decor and comfortable furniture combined with a plethora of amenities to provide endless opportunities for the guests to kick back and unwind. The wide open view of the Sound allows guests to enjoy gorgeous Outer Banks sunsets. A soundside dock private to the Palmer's Island neighborhood is just a short walk from the home. From sea to shining sea, Palmer's Panorama is sure to please those looking for the best panoramic water views on the Outer Banks.